Sign up for a free 30-day Beginner Immersion Challenge now. This challenge is open to everyone, current students, new students, and curious students about learning the Spanish language. You will have the opportunity to learn from one of our native Spanish teachers. The 30-day Beginner Immersion Challenge starts soon, so sign up now! It will last 30 days and each day will give you an opportunity to learn, practice, and strengthen your skills. It is open to all levels. Sign up right now at click on the class, follow the prompts, and enroll now. You will get a confirmation email once it is complete. And after you sign up, stick around and check out our website. You will do the daily exercises at your own pace, and our native teacher will give you feedback daily. You have nothing to lose and a new language to gain. ¡Nos vemos pronto!